All right, guys, in this video, we're going to cover some of the corrupt scriptures of Bobby Gray. And we're going to narrow in on his most recent performance that was on Tuesday night's call. And we're going to fast forward, find the scripture surrounding Friday so we can look at everything in context, guys. So let me do a search on Friday. Let's see. I think this is it here. And we are going to talk about this SEC meeting that he was supposed to have on Thursday. Now, according to the scriptures, Bobby Gray said this: tomorrow all day, I've got a depot meeting, and then on Thursday, I've got my big day. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do my Thursday night call. It'll be 2, 3 in the morning. But I would love to give you guys a brain dump of what we talk about on Thursday sooner rather than later. So let's think about that, because I'd love to fill you guys in on what's going on there. Maybe we have a call early Friday instead. But whatever it is, it's going to be great. Now, guys, according to the corrupt scriptures of Robert Gray, do you really think that his next call is going to be great?